Hi guys, welcome back. I've been getting a lot of requests for simple dinner recipe ideas, and I just wanted to show you something that I've been cooking for dinner over the past month. We are going to be making roasted asparagus today and then topping it with some fried garlic and laoganma sweet chili crisp. You can serve the roasted asparagus with a side of rice or any type of grain you like, along with your favorite protein. I like either my sweet chili shrimp or my teriyaki tofu. Actually, my sticky chicken thighs would be great with this recipe too. All right, let's get to it.
When roasting asparagus, I like using spears that are of medium thickness. Personally, I don't like spears to be pencil thin or overly chunky, but feel free to roast whatever you like. I always snap off the dry, woody ends of the asparagus before roasting. As I learned from Ted Allen on an episode of Queer Eye years ago, each spear has a natural snapping point. If the spear is very fresh, I snap off very little from the end. However, if the ends are looking dry and woody, I'll snap off more from the bottom. Don't throw away the ends. You can save them to make pureed asparagus soup. I got this idea from my friend and fellow food writer, Garrett McCord. Next, give the asparagus a quick rinse, then dry them with a towel. Spread out the asparagus over a baking sheet. There's no need to line the sheet pan. Then, drizzle and coat the asparagus with a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil here, but any oil works. Sprinkle a small pinch of salt and roast the asparagus at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 9 minutes. If you're roasting thinner spears, roast them for 7 minutes. If you're cooking thicker spears, roast them for 10 to 11 minutes. While the asparagus is roasting, mince a bunch of garlic. I like using the side of a cleaver to smack the garlic cloves to loosen the skin. Once I mince all the garlic, I'll use the cleaver like a bench scraper to gather up all the garlic. Then, fry the minced garlic in some oil over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. When the garlic starts to turn lightly golden, turn off the heat and immediately transfer the garlic to a bowl so that they don't burn. Burnt garlic tastes bitter, so that's no good. Transfer the roasted asparagus to a plate. I like to drizzle a bit of this hot sesame oil from Kadoya for spice and nutty flavor. Then, top the asparagus with the fried garlic and laoganma spicy chili crisp. There are many varieties of laoganma chili sauce, but the chili crisp is my favorite. And that's it, a quick and easy side dish.
I have to admit, I got a little overexcited about the amount of garlic you needed to fry for this recipe, so I only ended up using half of the amount of garlic that I fried, but then I'm just probably gonna sprinkle it into my rice and eat it with my rice anyway. All right, guys, that's it. You can find the full recipe on my blog, which I link to below in the description. If you cook this recipe, please let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at HelloLisaLynn. Bye, guys.